Hello fellow traders, welcome back to our channel. If you are under 35 and eager to dive into the exciting world of Forex trading, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll share 5 essential tips to kickstart your trading journey. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's get started with our top 5 tips for beginning Forex trading. Tip number 1. Know the markets. Education is the key. Take time to study currency pairs and understand what influences them. Learn about economic indicators, geopolitical events, and central bank policies. Remember, knowledge is your best investment. Next up, tip number 2. Create a trading plan. This is your roadmap to success. Define your profit goals, risk tolerance, and evaluation criteria. Stick to your plan. Emotionally, you are most rational before placing a trade and most irrational afterwards. Now, for tip number 3, it's time to take action. Put your trading plan to the test using a risk-free demo account. Experience actual market condition without risking your capital. It's like a test drive for your trading strategy. Wait, we have an offer for you. Open an account with FP Markets using the link in the description below and deposit only $200 to get 1 year of premium signals for free. Tip number 4. Start small and grow slowly. Don't rush into trading with large sums of money right away. Begin with a modest capital and focus on building your skills and confidence over time. Remember, it's not about making quick profits, but sustainable growth. Finally, tip number 5. Know your limits. Determine how much you're willing to risk per trade. Set your leverage ratio wisely. And always use stop and limit orders. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to your plan. Emotions can be your worst enemy in the world of trading. Our exclusive tip is to master emotions control. Learn to keep cool, stick to your trading plan, and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Remember, discipline is critical to long-term success. And there you have it, the top 5 tips for young Forex traders. Let us know in the comments if you want additional tips or a more in-depth look into one of the tips mentioned on this video. Remember, patience and discipline are your allies. If you find this video helpful, give us thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. Until next time, and happy trading!